Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset Roborock S8. To do this, first we'll need to open this hatch right here on our robot. Then you can find the reset button right there. Not sure if you can see it, but to click on it we'll need something thin. In this case I'm using a paper clip, and then just press and hold this button until you hear a voice prompt that factory reset is successful. There was no voice prompt, but I think we performed our reset successfully. Since the Wi-Fi just disconnected, you can see that the LED lamp for Wi-Fi is not flashing. Next thing we need to do is take a look on our smartphone. If you have it connected with your robot, then click on the three dots in the top right corner of the app, scroll down and find delete device. Click on it and then confirm it with OK, and your robot should return to factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.